Mrs. Gibbs?
Sure.
There you go. We are on the delivery trail and we are with Mrs. Gibbs. I prefer to call her Nicola still, because that is our refer to her on the job. When we're on the phone talking about, all the good things, the deliveries and all, call her Nicola. And who's this? Fine.
This is Jordan's gift.
Jordan! What's up, Jordy? Hello. Hello. What's up, Daddy? My daughter's name is Jordan. Yeah. This is going to be a smart one. My daughter's like one of the smartest ever. So how are you today?
I'm good.
Good. Babysitting day. I like the piercings. Wow, that's a lot. That's a lot. Nice. Nice. I see the other side. Okay. Alrighty. So you're into piercings, no tattoos?
I have two.
Two. Alright, cool. So she's into piercing and tattoos. We're into making sure that she get her gifts, her packages on time. So so it's Jordan. Jordan's hold on to this. Hold on to this, Jordan. Watch it. Hold it, no, Daddy. Hold it. All he wanted is jump on the box, You're not going to keep Jordan much longer. Because I see you said you're busy, so let's not keep you. Bye-bye, Daddy.
Say bye-bye.
Anyway, by the way, let me ask you. I know you change your location, change your address.
No, this is my home address.
This is your home address?
This is my work address.
Oh, okay. They prefer to get it at work. So because you're home now, taking care of baby.
No,
Okay.
I'm actually back at work.
You're back at work? Okay. Just for this one?
Yeah.
Alright, cool. So you see how flexible we are. You can count on us all the time, don't it?
Yes.
Homework or play, we're here.
Package and do it.
You have one more package and we're looking forward to it. I will make sure you get it on time. And we have a wonderful day. Take care. I don't know how you're going to manage this with Jordan. Yeah. I think that's a good idea. Alright, so where you want me to put it?
You can put it.
Let's put let's put it right here?
Yeah.
Okay, so your ID's on top of it. And make sure you take care of Jordan. Jordan is a good guy, I can bet. Right, Jordan? Right, Daddy? Right, Daddy? Tickle the baby. And he likes it and he's coming. We're not going to take away the baby today still. We're on the delivery trailer. We're not stealing babies. We're just delivering packages. Peace out.